Hello to all my friends out there. Hi, you guys. So, I didn't get any advertising for mentioning the coronavirus, I think. So, I am not sure it's going well. Here is my hamburger helper, and in a second I'm going to tell you my super secret trick to making really good hamburger helper. But we had another case of the coronavirus in San Diego, and that was to be expected because, we have a huge population of Asians, and furthermore, we have a huge population of prosperous Asians that can afford to go to China and got themselves over there. The people flying in are citizens of the U.S., so that's a problem. So now we have, start preparing just, as best you can. This is stockpile option number 2. Okay, yesterday I had one, but there's another way. You can buy these meals that all you have to do is add meat. But a lot of times what I do is I add cheese, and you mix them with milk. And you can add beans if you don't have cheese, whatever you had. So I was at Walmart and I just bought 7 items for $7.76. And that gives me enough food for like seven meals. And then I would make, some top ramen and Vienna sausage or scrambled eggs with Vienna sausage. So this was, let's see, how much was this? This was $7.32. And one of the really good comments was save back a little food. So if you buy a pound of hamburger or turkey burger and you save back 1/4 pound meat and you make these, you're not even going to miss it. And then every 4th time you don't have to buy meat. Okay, so now for my hamburger helper secret. It's not my secret. My client told me, and it was her husband's secret. Now let me give you another look. First of all, I bought this lasagna. I actually like these. I had a neighbor who used to load his house down. He had a whole bunch of kids, and by the end of the month, there wouldn't be a single, they would be piled all over the house. And I actually like these. So this one was costing me 82 cents each. And so I had bought mozzarella cheese. I stockpiled a lot of cheese. And remember, you guys, mozzarella is the most loved cheese, 99 cents, only $2. So I just shopped around. And then I have powdered milk. So what I did is, it calls for 1 1/4 cup water and 1 3/4 cup milk. So if you have powdered milk, this makes this really easy, and your milk is adding a little protein. So I used 2 cups milk and 1 cup hot water, and then I added the packet. And then instead of adding any meat, I just added cheese, and that's how I got this delicious hamburger helper. But the trick is, you get all your liquids hot, and then you add the packet, and then you add the noodles, and you continuously stir. That's why some people, they get and then I put the mozzarella. Look how creamy my stuff is. This is good, you guys. So you continuously stir it. You go, I don't want to stand there and stir it. Really? Well, if you get this creamy stuff, you're not going to want the hardened edges of the noodles. Yummy, yummy. And some of the noodles, take a look at this, all that cheese. Some of the noodles half done. Some of the noodles not done. This takes care of that. And so then later on tonight, if I get hungry, what I've been doing, and I really like it, is I just make a couple burritos. And I stockpile the cheese in my freezer from Dollar Tree. And so I just scramble some eggs, and then I heat my tortillas in a dry pan or with a little cookie spray. I put the cheese on the bottom, and then I put the egg on the top. And then I have 4 cups of iced tea. So this is another cheap approach to stockpiling. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, and if you have any tricks for Hamburger Helper, can you leave them in the comments? I think this would be cheaper. This would be just get 7 cheap dinners and then eat sandwiches for lunch and eat burritos or cereal for breakfast. Okay, you guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and God bless you all.